Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by RPGSHOW and I'm working with this gorgeous wig. Honestly, I'm really liking this hair color. So today I'm working with their cherry cola color highlights long wavy drawstring wigs. This is their Fit Lock 13x6 drawstring wig. So the wig comes with a drawstring and it comes with a fit lock as well, so it stays in place. This is definitely great because it's gonna help you to achieve 100% a glueless wig install. And you guys can see how snug this wig fits on my head. I've not applied anything to the wig, I've literally just placed it on. I don't even think I've used the drawstring just yet. No, I haven't. So I'm just gonna put this up and then now I'm gonna go ahead and, as you can see, this is the drawstring. I'm going to go ahead and pull the drawstring so the wig fits extra snug on my head. And like I said, it comes with the fit lock. This is the fit lock right here. And I'm just going to pull that in place. So this is going to prevent the drawstring from coming undone. And it's going to make sure your wig fits very secure and very snug. It is not going anywhere, I promise you. And then now I'm just going to tuck the drawstring inside the wig cap. And you guys, when I tell you, this is not going anywhere. So anyway, let's go ahead and install the wig properly and then style the hair. So the wig actually came pre-styled. It's been curled already, so I don't really have to do too much to the wig. It came pre-plucked as well, a very natural hairline. There's really nothing for me to do to this wig. It's more or less ready for me to install straight out of the box. And the wig comes pre-bleached as well, so it's definitely beginner friendly. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace on the wig. Also, I did apply my makeup to help the lace match my skin tone. So this is actually their Swiss transparent lace. It's not even HD, but it looks so good, you guys. The plucking on point, everything on point. So I'm just going to cut off the excess lace and just carry on with installing the wig, and I'll come back. So anytime you cut off the excess lace, you want to make sure you cut the lace to fit around your ears, so it's sitting comfortably around your ears. So we're just doing the same thing on this side. You know, just so when you have the wig on, it's very comfortable and it doesn't feel like there's tension against your ears, because that can be quite uncomfortable and very painful actually. So and you guys, we are done cutting off the excess lace. And when I tell you, I definitely do not need to glue this wig down. You can see how snug this fits. Like, it's not going anywhere. Very comfortable, very cute. And that was so quick and easy for me to install. Like, I didn't have to do anything aside from just apply some makeup to help the lace match my skin, and also just cutting off the excess lace, and here we are. So now I'm going to move on to styling. I'm just going to go over what's already been done to the wig, so you know. You guys, I'm telling you, this hair is just so pretty, the hair color. Anyway, I'm going to take some wax stick and just apply some at the top of the wig. Like I said, this is a 13x6 lace front wig, so you actually have the option of parting this wig anywhere you'd like. So I'm just going to go ahead and make my middle part just a bit longer. I feel like this helps the wig to look, you know, nicer, and you can see the difference that makes already. And you can see it goes all the way to the back because it is a 13x6. And the bleaching was done so well. This looks very natural. Like, I don't have to apply any concealer, but I could do if I want to, but I'm gonna leave it like this. So I just apply my wax stick and just go in with my hot comb. The hot comb is from Deluxe Collection. This is the hottest hot comb I've ever used. It gets really hot and it goes all the way up to 500. I'm never able to use it on the hottest because it's just too much for me, but this will definitely have your wig laying real flat. I'll make sure to leave the link down below, and look at the difference that has just made. This is hot comb, no hot comb. Look at that. see the difference the parting makes as well. So I'm gonna add some wax stick to the front just to lift the front of the wig a little bit. And like I said, you guys, this is 100% glueless. I've not used any hairspray, any hair mousse, any gel, and the lace looks really good. I could go in and, you know, use my hairspray, like my bed head spray, but I really feel like I don't need to. Like, this wig fits very snug. I keep saying it over and over again because I'm shocked myself. So you guys, this is what the wig looks like. If you ever feel like you need this part of your wig to stay up, all you need to do is just to grab your hairspray and just spray the top of the wig. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some hair oil. And I really like this one because it doesn't make your hair feel greasy. It's not too heavy, very light, but it does what it needs to do. So, and you only need literally 1 pump because a small amount of this goes a long way. Okay, so this is the finished look and this is what the hair looks like. Honestly, I'm really in love with this wig. The fact that this is 100% glueless. I'm just gonna run my tail comb so you can see that this is 100% glueless. No products on this wig, not even a hairspray. And you can see it's 100% glueless. Definitely very beginner friendly, and you can install the wig right out of the box, just like I did today, because it comes pre-styled, it comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, ready for you to install straight out of the box. So now I'm just going to put the hair up in a ponytail just so you guys can see that you don't need to glue this wig down to wear the wig, and it fits very snug as well. Okay, so I've just done a different hairstyle with this wig and I think this is so cute. I really like this hair color. Definitely the perfect color for fall. You guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And to think that this wig is actually laying down like this without no hairspray, no glue, no gel. I've literally not used anything to install this wig. And you guys, if you ever install your wig and you feel like the flaps or the sides are, you know, sticking out, it just means that you need to cut more hair around the sides. If there's too much lace, it's not going to lay down. Okay, so sometimes you just need to cut more hair around the lace. I'm just gonna swing my hair back and forth so you guys can see how snug this wig is. And let me turn around actually so you can see what the back of the wig looks like. I mean, I don't really know what the back looks like myself, but that's what the back looks like. That's what it's given. You can see, you can't see any tracks. You can't even see the drawstring as well because I've tucked it inside the wig. So that's literally all you need to do. Just tuck it inside the wig and you're good to go. But you guys can see this wig is literally staying in place. It's not moving. It hasn't even moved back. Nothing. So like I said, this wig is from RPGSHOW. Make sure you check down below for all the information and all the links that you guys need. I'm very impressed with this wig. Like I said, this is not their HD lace. It's actually their transparent lace and it looks this good without me having to glue it down or use any spray or gel. Also, yeah, this wig definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I'm impressed and I love this wig. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.